Hello, welcome to day 4 in Cape Town. I'm so excited. I'm feeling much better. Yesterday I couldn't do anything. I couldn't do much. My stomach was just acting up. So today I'm feeling good. We are outside where we stay, just waiting for our Uber, and then we go to the beach. I wanted to go to Merzenberg Beach, but they outvoted me. So we're going to Camps Bay. Do I say hi? So this is Bay. What are you doing today?
I don't know, you tell me.
Yeah, why do you want to go to Camps Bay instead of Merzenberg?
Can't even.
Why do you want to go to Camps Bay? It's a bit windy today, so yeah, I hope it works out. I think that's our Uber. Huh? It's not. Yeah, so she always outvotes me with her friend, and I'm in charge. Like, I don't know what to do anymore. Like, all my suggestions, she must run it by her friend, her boyfriend. What do you have to say for yourself? You mustn't be quiet here.
If you start defending yourself, that means saying
It's true.
Might as well.
Wow. Alright guys, so it will just be a chill day at the beach. Yeah, nothing much. So let's go. But the waves are so strong. Oh God! No, don't make that! No! She wants to chill. Baby! Why are you chilling? Maya, you must run after it.
Running like an idiot.
No, not like an idiot. Like a good girlfriend. Like a good fiance. Wow, guys, and my hair is a mess, but it's fine. It is so windy. Oh my goodness, the waves. Like, let me show you. They are huge. For me, these are big, ne? Guys, I'm still laughing. She wanted to let my head. Let's go. Hi, baby.
Why did you run after it?
Because you were closer to her.
Bring it back.
I can't, guys. I can't. So yeah, let's just enjoy the waves. In any case, I'm wearing a bikini. Can I tell you a story of my bikini as well? She bought me a bikini last year on my birthday. This was in Feb of 2018, and I've never worn it, you know. And like, firstly, I was surprised. Like a bikini, guys. It's beautiful, but my body for a bikini. Anyways, I will show you guys the bikini very soon once I get the courage to go into that water. But it looks so scary. But we will walk by the beach and just explore a bit. Yeah? Yeah, so guys, also, let me not be random, but I just wanted to let you know, I'd like to thank you for subscribing. I'm I'm seeing growth. Like, it might be slow, but also it's because I haven't been promoting my channel. I just literally make videos and post, and whoever sees them sees them. But this year I have decided to actively promote it. Yeah, I've gotten to that point where I'm comfortable, even though my editing skills are not there yet, but I am comfortable with what I put out. Yes, and I know, guys, you know, if there's one thing, don't make a promise on your channel. Don't make a promise that you can't keep. So I know there's a promise that I've been saying next week, next week. And that video is the part 2 of our girlfriend tag. Guys, we just never had the time to shoot it, and when we did have time, yeah, things were not in our favor. So while we here in Cape Town, babe,
You just said you don't want to make promises.
okay, let me not make a promise. So you guys will get it. It'll be a surprise. You'll get it when you get it, right?
Yes.
Yes, let's keep it like that. Because I know I made a promise, and yeah, I feel bad about it. So yeah, so New Year's resolution: don't make promises you can't keep, because you really can't control other people. I can only control myself. I can't control Dibato. Yes, I can't control her. So if she's in a bad mood and she's like, no, I want to do my hair before, no, I want to do this before, because I heard the excuses, guys. Oh my god, the amount of excuses I got. So I'm really throwing her under the under the bus, but it's fine. And this channel is not only mine, because, like, guys, it is my channel, but she's always there. So I decided to change.
What do you mean always there?
You're always there on my channel somehow, because I live with you. So hence I called it Yandi and Bay, because Bay will pop in now and then, like Bay, you know. So I thought I should just add her there, you know. She's not just a cameo, you know. She's a permanent fixture in my life. So I will include her in the things that I do, but it is still my channel.
Yeah.
It will forever be my channel. If she wants us to have a couples channel, she will work hard for it to be Yandi and Tibi. So for now, we'll just leave her as Bay, right? You're just gonna be Bay. There she is.
Happy to be there.
You are happy to be Bay.
Why you here holding my boob?
Alright guys, so we're just at the beach chilling. We're not doing anything. So I don't think I'll go in.